Hey, my name is Ralph and I'm with Flexfilm. In this video, I'm going to introduce to you our advanced kit. Our advanced kit ties our basic kit, our intermediate kit together with our back window tools to give you everything together in our advanced kit. So let's review real quick. Our basic kit helps you do side windows. Our intermediate kit added to that helps you do advanced side windows that required heat molding and entry-level back windows that required heat molding. Now our advanced kit has all the hard to reach tools to get the advanced back windows that require heat molding, and all this added together gives you our advanced kit. Let me point out a few things you get with our advanced kit. Right here in this section is our advanced kit. You get the large microfiber towel. You can put this on dashes and then on the rear decks to help keep water from getting where it's not supposed to get. These are all these little hard to reach tools: bulldozer, paddle scrubber, shuttle, stroke doctor, and even the red turbo, which we'll cut down for you into squeegees like this to help you get into those hard to reach places. We've added ultra knives with more blades. These are the 25% more sharper blades to help you get better cuts. Do not cut on glass directly. We have opaque markers. We have additional stainless steel blades, which, you know, now that you're going to be doing a lot of windows, you need more blades. We're going to give you the pressure impact sprayers, you know, that you can pump up and not have to fatigue your finger trying to with the trigger as much. And we give you scrubber pads. Each one of these pads can be divided into 3 pads, and you get 5 pads, so that'll give you 15 total pads in this section for scrubbing. This is what you get. In addition to all these wonderful tools, you can do just about anything now that you need to do with all our professional tools. And if you need extra tools, we have other tools you can add to this. And there are things you can buy that we recommend at hardware stores and office supply stores that'll make this even better. Thanks for watching.